This bad boy is as nippy as it looks, part of a new range of toys by RiiRoo. Our RiiRoo ATV Beast 6-volt battery electric quad bike, the perfect present for your kid who wants the ultimate excitement and thrilling adventure. It's suitable for children of up to 4 years of age or up to 102 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, functioning horn, and a pre-installed music player.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. The off-road wheel design gives more grip on uneven surfaces such as grass or dirt. Foot accelerator with an auto brake on release function. Forward and reverse gears. The integrated storage compartment allows your child to take their belongings with them on their adventure. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.